In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin Instinct to Strava. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your Garmin Instinct or any other model of Garmin watch to Strava is incredibly simple. All of your data will be automatically synchronized between both of these services. So to start, use Garmin Connect. Open the Garmin Connect application, and after you have set up your watch through this app, which I'm not going to cover fully, you will find the option to connect it to Strava by tapping on More. So at the bottom right corner of the screen, go to More, scroll down until you find Settings. So you have to scroll down on the application, choose the More category, and then access Settings. In here, you will find connected applications, and as the name suggests, you can connect external applications, including Strava. So choose this option on that menu. Now you will find Microsoft Office, MyFitnessPal, and the focus of this video, Strava. So choose Strava from the Connected Apps menu. When you do this, you will see all of the permissions here. You may share your activities with Strava by linking your accounts. Enable the following features with compatible Garmin devices and a Strava subscription account, so keep that in mind. View Strava live segments on Garmin Connect and watch your Garmin live track session using Strava Beacon. If everything looks okay, make sure that you agree with the necessary permissions and terms. And finally, to establish a connection, log in using your Strava account. So input your email address and password, or sign in using Facebook, Google, or Apple. Once your credentials have been input and you choose the login option at the bottom, it is going to be connected. You will see this message, you are connected to Strava. This check mark is going to appear. Your Garmin activities will automatically be shared. With all of this done, you are good to go. You can choose which individual data will be shared with Strava. So if you would like to customize this, you can enable or disable it from this window. And if you scroll all the way down, the option to disconnect these devices will appear. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on setting up Garmin and Strava, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you will be helping us a lot, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.